name is Trevor with Embers. We're showing you Napoleon's Acies series. Basically what it is, it's a similar model to their Vector or LD series, but what they've done is they've kind of taken out some of the bells and whistles to make it a little more affordable. So porcelain panels, which you can see on here, are an option. They're not going to be standard. No LED light functions, no Bluetooth app. But if you still like the aesthetic look of the Vector series.
So we're going to give you some close-ups of the Vector series here. And the reason we're doing that is to illustrate the point that aesthetically, these fireplaces can look exactly the same, minus the nightlight. So every aesthetic feature and media option is available between both models, but you do lose the nightlight on this feature. So if the nightlight is something important to you, you're going to want to go with the Vector series. Now there is a big difference from a performance standpoint. We'll get into some of the details. The AC series is going to have a tempered glass, so that's going to be a lower efficiency unit, less radiant heat off the front of the glass, whereas the Vector series is going to come with a ceramic glass front, which is more efficient and allows more radiant heat out the front of the fireplace. So if heat is important to you, again, you're going to want to go with the Vector series here. Now controls. Bluetooth controls and ProFlame 2 remote control are going to be standard on the Vector, versus the Acies, you're just going to get a basic wall switch. And again, you can upgrade those options on the Acies if you want to. From an installation standpoint, the Acies is going to be shallower. It's only an 18-inch firebox versus 22 on the Vector. So it's going to be easier to install the Acies unit. So if you need a slim box, you may want to go with the Acies.
But you didn't want to necessarily pay that much. The Acies series is a great way to go because it's kind of an in-between. It's still an upgraded model, but it doesn't necessarily have all the functions that you may not need. So why pay for them if you don't need them? So again, it's available in a handful of sizes, single-sided and see-through, but you can still dress it up with all the media options that you want. You are going to get the Topaz glass standard. Again, this is the AC series by Napoleon.